Two questions. They look almost the same, but one of them breaks every SQL beginner. Question 1. What is the highest game rating? Question 2. Which game got that rating? Different answers, different queries. Question 1 is easy. Select max game. Rating from game. 1 row, 1 number, 8.58. Done. But that only tells you the value, not the name behind it. So beginners, try this. Select game name from game, where game rating equals 8.58. It works. Today. Tomorrow, a new rating rolls in and your query is a lie. Hard-coded numbers are a trap. Here's the fix. A query, inside. A query. Select game name from game where game rating equals, open paren. Select max, game rating from game. That's a subquery. It runs first. Its answer feeds the outer query. Round brackets mean the same thing they do in algebra. Do this part first. Inner runs, returns 8.58, outer runs, finds Guild Wars 2, dynamic, self-updating, bulletproof. Memorize this one rule. If you need an aggregate, max, min, avg, sum, or count inside a where line, you always need a subquery. Aggregates don't live in where by themselves, ever. Real-world use. You want to update a row, but you only know the name, not the primary key. Update game. Set game fee equals $14.99. Where game ID equals, select game ID from game. Where game name equals DD tank. Subquery finds the PK. Update targets it. Safe. One query inside another. Small idea, massive power. Save this. Drop a comment. What's your trickiest SQL question? Like, subscribe. See you in EP 10.